Here I've got ALCATEL A3 and let me show you how to set up the following device. So at first you have to select the language, click on the current one and pick the one that you would like to have your device in. Actually, I will leave the current one, so English UK, and then tap on next. Now you can insert your SIM card if you want to do it now. You can obviously do it later, and this is what I will do, so just tap on skip. Now give your device a short while to check all the information, and then you can set up your device as a new one or copy your data from the previous phone, but no thanks, I want to set it up as a fresh one, as a new one. And now you should log in with your Google account if you have one. You can obviously skip it for now if you want to, so let me do it. And then here's the notification, so if you will not set up your Google account, you will not be able to download app, music, games and all the others. You will also not be able to back up your data, so actually let's leave it. You can still skip it, but I will go back and log in with my Gmail address because it's worth it. So let's enter HardReset.Info 1 at gmail.com and tap on confirmation mark. Then enter the password, so let me show you if you will be entering it, and then if you will tap on the eye icon, you will be able to see what letters are here. So let me enter my password off the screen. And when the password is entered, click on the icon name next. And here you can come along with all terms of Google service and also privacy policy. And if you agree with all of it, click on I agree. And here you can select the particular Google services. So for example, you can switch on and off Google Backup, Google's location service, and all the others. And once it's personalized, click on next. You can also set up payment info, but I do not want to do it. Click on continue then. And also you can add some other email if you want to, but I will stay with my Gmail address. And finally, you can also restore your apps and data from some other device, but I don't want to do it. I want to have a fresh ALCATEL A3. Finally, you can set up fingerprint, PIN code, pattern or password, but obviously you can do it later. You can check our tutorials on how to set up fingerprint to your ALCATEL A3. Allow. And then you can also activate e-warranty, but I will skip it for now. And also this option you can activate it later. Then click on next. And as you can see, setup complete, your phone is set up and ready to use. Click on finish. Wait a couple of seconds and that's it. Tap on got it, and now you can set up your phone like things like wallpaper. You can add some contacts, you can insert your SIM card and all the others now to your ALCATEL A3. So enjoy usage of your phone. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.